Okay, so this is my final project, and well, I'm going to run the server, and uh, this is the index screen, and I could skip for mobiles, or I can drag the bike to the meeting point, and well, this is the home page, and the first station is the meeting point, uh, and I have this bicycle and this arrow that they say drag me. This is a map uh, of the meeting point, and this is some pictures that in the moment I hover over them, they grow, and they can see where's the meeting point. Also, the map it's interactive, so we can actually open the map and interact with it, even with some pictures of the place. But that's only embed code from Google. And when I move the bicycle, uh, the arrow disappear, and it cannot move outside from the back lane. And when I go to the second station, your host will give me some information about me, and again some pictures of myself on the tour, and the English, the language that I speak. The third station is the route. The route is 12-mile long and it's divided into parts. The first part, places that we visit. The second part, the places that we visit. And again, it's a interactive Google map that they let you see the route and even some of the pictures of the places that we visit on the tour. Um, and well, the fourth station, it's what to expect, and well, it describes more or less what we are going to do on the tour. Have some recommendations, what's included, and when you hover on it, it erases the picture, the photo, and it gives you some info. And last but not least is the finish line. And when you go to the finish line, it let you choose the most appropriate tour for you, the morning tour, the evening tour, or the private tour. It give you the guest requirements, the day and night tour prices, and the cancellation policy. Have a button to book now, and it also have another button, another link to the photo gallery. Uh, let's see first the photo gallery, and then we will go to the booking section. When you press the photo gallery button, it sends you to the photo gallery. That is the same gallery. The home is the place that we went before. The gallery is this photo gallery, and it's a bootstrap carousel gallery. Have this option to see it in full screen, uh, and same gallery just in full screen. It also have an option to book now that we will see a little further. Uh, the reviews gallery, well, it allowed me to see the last reviews on Airbnb, and it changed whenever a new review is left on the Airbnb page. The about section, it's about myself, give some information about myself, and show some of the certificates that I already have from Harvard CS50. When I get this new one, I will put it here, and have a link to WhatsApp that link you direct to WhatsApp. Uh, and same thing with Instagram that sent you directly to the direct message of my Instagram page. They can also visit my Instagram profile. And the next one, it's with Facebook, and with Facebook, link you to the web page of the tour. Um, and the last one is uh, the chance to send me an email. And that's the about. Last thing is the reservations. That is exactly the same that when we go to the finish line and go to book now, take you exactly there. And well, over here, it asks you for a name, for an email, for phone number. I give you the opportunity to choose between a morning, an evening, or a private tour, the date that you want to do that, let's say tomorrow, and the number of guests. And according to the number of guests, it give you a price, except on the private tour, because the private tour, it always have a fixed price of 350, but it doesn't matter how many guests do you choose. But also when you choose a private tour, it gives you a suggest start time, uh, because when it's a private tour, they have the opportunity to choose at every time that they want to book. And when you submit, well, if the book is confirmed, it gives you a confirmation number. In case there is a mistake, or you want to reload this page, or want to book exactly the same tour, it will tell you that there was an error with your booking. Sorry, we were unable to process your booking. Your booking already exists. Also, if there is an error with the database, that somehow they succeed to change the maximum number here, for example, that is 5, and they are able to send 6, doing some hacking of the HTML, it will give them an error as well. And if we go to the admin page, uh, and log in, you will see that we have this model, this table called reservations, and the reservation that I made right now for a private tour at 9:52 to passengers at the cost of 350, and I have the email and the phone number of the guest in case I need to call them. Uh, and what else? I believe that's it. Thank you, and my name is Alberto. I'm from Mexico City, and this was CS50W.